Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to plant potatoes. Let's get started. Growing potatoes can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience, allowing you to enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your very own home garden spuds. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of planting potatoes, from selecting the right varieties to harvesting your bountiful crop. Number 1. Choosing the right potatoes. Start by selecting the right potato varieties for your climate and preferences. There are countless options, each with its own taste, texture, and cooking properties. Decide whether you want to grow early, mid-season, or late-season varieties based on your desired harvest time. Number 2. Preparing the seed potatoes. Before planting, it's essential to prepare your seed potatoes. Cut larger potatoes into smaller pieces, ensuring each piece has at least one eye or bud. Allow the cut pieces to curve for a couple of days to form a protective callus that aid in preventing rot. Number 3. Preparing the planting area. Choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. Remove any weeds or debris and loosen the soil to a depth about 8 inches. Potatoes prefer slightly acidic soil, so consider testing and adjusting the pH level if needed. Number 4. Planting the potatoes. Dig trenches or individual holes about 4 to 6 inches deep, spaced about 12 to 15 inches apart. Place the seed potatoes, cut side down, into the soil with the eyes facing upward. Cover them with about 2 inches of soil. Number 5. Caring for your potatoes plants. Once planted, regularly water your potato plant to keep the soil consistently moisture but not waterlogged. As the plant grows, gradually mound soil around the stems to promote tuber formation. This helps protect the developing potatoes from exposure to light, which can turn them green and bitter. Number 6. Harvesting your potatoes. When the plant has matured and the foliage begins to yellow and die back, it's time to harvest your potatoes. Gently dig around the base of the plant, being careful not to damage the tubers. Allow them to dry in a cool, dark place for a few days before storing or enjoying them fresh. Growing your own potatoes is a rewarding experience that allows you to savor the taste of freshly harvested spuds. By following these steps, you can successfully plant and grow your own potatoes. Whether you have a large garden or just a few containers on your balcony. So roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and start planting your own potato patch today. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please share my video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.